GC4, this is the part of our range which is quite innovative and unique, and this product is patent protected. And the concept of the system is that we have, in multi-storey apartments and buildings, there's a requirement where you need to use a sound impact insulation, which is commonly used with just a rubber mat like this, and that can come in different thicknesses. So it might be 3mm, 5mm or 10mm, and that is to reduce the impact of noise between floors. The biggest challenge on podiums and wet areas or kitchen areas, commercial kitchens where they want an acoustic system, is again time. So a rubber mat would be applied, and then they've got to use a liquid membrane over the top, and that could take 2 or 3 days to dry before then the tile is getting on top of it and then completing the application. So GC4 has been designed where it has the acoustic system built into the GC sheet. So as you can see, this is our GC4, and on the face of it is the standard fabric, which is our GC system. It still has the core of polyethylene in the centre, which acts as a vapour barrier and a waterproof membrane. But on the rear, we've been able to machine it that we can actually have the acoustic rubber matting bonded to it. And so what we have is the application where this can be applied directly to a concrete floor, and within a third of the time, or even less, a quarter of the time of what would normally happen on a building site, this is bonded down to the concrete. We seal around the perimeters with our elastoproof joint band, and the tiler can start the same day. And that, on a multi-storey building, saves masses of time. And what you do have as well is you have a controlled uniform system, quality controlled uniform system, which has the sheet of waterproofing with the acoustic system all in one. And that provides the specifier and the project manager the confidence that there is no incompatibility between rubber, acoustic matting and the waterproof membrane. It's all in one. And we give a longer term warranty with this system, up to 20 years. And once it's applied down, it not only acts as the acoustic system and the waterproof membrane, but it also provides a fantastic tile underlay. So you also have an insulative membrane system that helps with the cold of concrete floors coming through to the top. If underfloor heating still wants to be incorporated in by the specifier, it can be. But this is the new way of applying an acoustic system for wet areas, for both podiums and internal wet areas for tiling. Depending on what the specifier wants and the acoustic ratings that they require, we can make the product with varying thicknesses of rubber matting on the rear. So the standard product we have is a 3mm rubber, which is used normally in residential applications, but we can extend this to 5 or 10mm if required. And that allows the project to be meeting the engineer's designs for sound control or sound insulation. But at the same time, from a waterproofing perspective, we lose none of the properties or the benefits and advantages that we have when this is applied.